Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new video. On Avax, wanted to do an update on that. I mean, look, it's been a bit bullish over the last 24 hours, of course, but that's the entire market. I mean, Bitcoin has been very strong, and then it also seems to me, I mean, Avax seems to be quite correlated to Solana. Which is interesting. Solana has been quite strong, even a bit stronger than Avax, of course, and it's also testing the main resistance right now. Because Avax is doing the same. I mean, Avax is a little bit lower comparatively to Solana, but basically, I mean, Avax hit that $49, $50 resistance level around Christmas. Strong resistance from there, started to have some bearish momentum. I mean, Avax was never bearish, but we dropped down a bit. Had a bit of a retracement, so to speak. And right now it's gaining some bullish momentum again. So I know a lot of you are interested in Avax, so I just thought I'd give you my thoughts on it, whether something is possible here. I saw some other Avax related coins like Joe do fairly well. I also saw Kok Inu doing some stuff again lately, but I'm not sure if it's back at the same levels it was. No, it's not, but it was quite bullish. So Avax just in general, I mean, it's doing good. Fundamentally, there's nothing wrong with Avax. The growth in all of the chains, I do think, has decreased a bit. Yeah, same for Avax. We had a bit of a drop, but that also has to do with the price drop. And also daily active addresses, daily transactions, DEX volumes, all dropping down a bit. So Avax fundamentally is just not as strong anymore as we were. But that does not mean that we cannot break out. So that's the main question. Because ultimately what we would want to see is that Avax breaks above this level right here between $45 and where we are right now at 42.5. That's the main resistance. Look, we just need to break above that. And if we're able to break above that, first of all, I think we're testing our local highs around $50. But I see no reason why we would not continue on to the next price target at $55. So the question remains, is this most likely? Is it most likely that Avax, with the ETF coming up and the potential sell-off that will cause, and with the open interest that Avax has right now, is it most likely that it will break out? And that is one hell of a difficult question. All right, the last time we broke out was the 21st of December. Back then, obviously, the fundamentals were also still very much increasing. So fundamentally, Avax was then stronger. The open interest at that point of time, so that's the 21st of December, the open interest at that point of time was also higher than where we were right now. So unfortunately, even though I think this is definitely a possibility, and you should definitely know this, given the current statistics and given the current numbers, it's not most likely that we'll break out. The momentum is not the same as the first time we broke out. First of all, fundamentally, Avax is a bit weaker, even though I like it a lot. I mean, Avax, it's one of the cryptos I've held for the longest, all right? You should know that, but I'm also trying to be realistic, and I'm trying to be honest to you, all right? And honestly, I think this is a possibility, and I will definitely trade it if we break out. But for now, it seems most likely that we'll test resistance, but then or test it, but then or accept it, not reject it, and drop down to the bottom of this range, which we are in at 37.5, and stay consolidated. I think that's most likely. I mean, ultimately, I think a breakout like this is inevitable in the next month. But for now, I think it's most likely that we'll stay down here. So those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group if you want to stay updated also on trades I'm taking on Avax. But that's up to you to check out. For now, I want to thank you all for watching and listening. Take care and bye.